feeling well.
Oh no, what's wrong, little buddy?
Can you help me out, please? I feel like garbage.
We went to urgent care last night, but then we decided to come to you guys this morning.
I'm not okay.
Ma'am, I don't know about you, but that doesn't sound like nothing. And they said nothing was wrong with him. It's alright, let's get him in right now. Thank you so much. Come on, sweetie, let's go.
This table's awesome. Choo-choo!
Hey, Georgie, what's wrong, little man? My son has 104 and has been coughing like crazy. Let me listen to those lungs. What are you gonna do for him? I'm sorry you went through all of that. He has bronchitis.
Bronco what? I'm a dinosaur?